Hi guys, it's me again today. And today, guys, we are going to be playing with I'm going to be playing with all my slime that I have made. So let me just turn the camera off, which is my phone. And here's the first one. Comment down below what I should name this slime. And whatever person has the most likes, I will name it. But all my other slimes have names. And, just let me know what type of slime do you want me to make next. Because I have nothing to make it. All I have is glue. So I'm just going to be showing you off some first. And this one is called Sky Blue. It's very bluey. And it stretches. It feels like rubber because like all of our slimes happen like that. Well, all mine. And maybe I'll give you my room a tour. But there's Sky Blue. The next one is one of my favorites. Well, this one's my favorite. This one's my second favorite. It's called The Deep. Here's the lid. It has a jellyfish or an octopus and a fish. And this is a crunchy slime. All the things in it are fish and stuff. It's awesome. So, I'm new to the YouTube thing. Like, here it is. Like, it has these googly eyes in it. It's squishy. It stretches, and I love the color. In real life, it's like a dark blue. And then I have my all-time third favorite. It's my Galaxy slime. And it's squishy, and it's the biggest slime I have yet. And look at the bottom. It stretches. It has a good crunch to it. It's nice to play with if you're like watching Fuller House. And if you guys don't know, they're coming out with a season 4 of Fuller House. Comment down below if you watch Fuller House. Because I have watched that series over and over again. And it's just one of my favorites in the world. But let's get back to the Sky Blue. If you stretch it too fast, it'll rich. Not Sky Blue, but my unnamed slime. It's like a gray blue, a grayish bluish. And I'm going to show you a bubble. Oh, I forgot one. It's Cloud. It should be really stretchy. Yep, it's super stretchy. And yeah, I forgot that one. This is the stretch. Hold on, guys.
What? Can I go to the bathroom real quick, Kate?
I have a YouTube channel. Open the gate. I have slime in my hand. I'm filming a video. Don't judge me.
That finds out.
Don't not. Not until my birthday. I'm dead meat.
What for your birthday?
Nothing. I am dead meat. I was gonna tell my dad. What I want for my birthday is a Lego set.
Is that what you want me to get her for her birthday?
Okay,
Yeah.
well, if she doesn't let other people know what she wants for her birthday, how the fuck are we supposed to shop for presents?
Well, the one thing that I'm getting for my birthday is $65. I'm going on a birthday shopping spree.
From who?
Grandpa. That was so dangerous. No, you're not. It's me, my grandpa, and my dad.
Oh,
Toasted. You can
that's
come.
fine. Hey,
You
then,
can come.
Then you're not getting anything on.
You're coming. I'm kidding.
Then just don't worry about giving her the gift card then.
I'm
Simple
getting
like
a
that,
gift
see?
card.
You were going to get a gift card for me.